The 2017 Jaguar XF has a lower entry-level price point and adds a new available turbocharged diesel engine. It competes with vehicles such as the BMW 5 Series and Lexus GS. The XF is offered with 3 engines, a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 that makes 340 horsepower, a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 that makes 380 horsepower, and a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel that makes 180 horsepower. All pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The XF is available with rear or all-wheel drive. EPA-estimated fuel economy is rated at 31 miles per gallon city/42 miles per gallon highway for the diesel, 30/40 with all-wheel drive. The 296 bhp 3.0-liter twin-turbo diesel, which has fantastic real-world pace thanks to 516 torques from just 2,000 revolutions per minute, impressive if not class-leading refinement, and averages a claimed 51.4 miles per gallon. It really takes the fight to the German establishment. Available features include satellite radio, USB, navigation, Bluetooth, infotainment system, and heated front seats. Available safety features include rear view camera, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, front and rear park assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic detection, and dual front airbags. The base price for the 2017 Jaguar XF is $48,250, not including dealer and destination fees.